If you're stuck in the zero views jail or just can't get your shorts viral, the problem might not be your shorts, but the way you're uploading them. Today, I'm giving you my exact uploading process that helped me get results like this, and I'll even reveal a simple setting that almost no YouTube specialist is talking about. A setting that got me over 1 million extra views on multiple shorts, just by changing that one thing. So if you skip even a single part of this video, that might be exactly what's holding you back from the views and the income you deserve. Now the first step would be to upload your shorts from the right device. You can upload shorts from your computer or your phone, but I highly recommend using your phone. Why? Because the mobile app gives you access to important settings you won't find on desktop. Later on, I'll show you how these mobile-only settings can massively boost your views, but first, here's the easiest way to transfer your video from your computer to your phone for those who don't know. So first, upload the video to Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your phone, download the file, and boom, you're ready to upload from your phone. From here, we can move on to the next part, hashtags. Most of the views on shorts come from the shorts feed, not from hashtags, which means that most of the time, hashtags on shorts are pretty useless. In fact, using too many hashtags or keywords can backfire. YouTube may ignore them entirely. They've even stated that using over 60 hashtags can result in your video being removed from uploads or search. So just add a few key hashtags that fit your niche. You can also include a few keywords in your description, but don't overthink it. It won't make a big difference. My most popular short doesn't have any tags, hashtags, or even a description. I simply selected the video category to help you to better understand what type of content it was, and that was enough. The video sits at over 9 million views without any hashtags. Now, you might be wondering, then what are the actual settings and upload strategies that make your videos perform better? Let's move on to the title, because that's where the things get a little more interesting. Because if done correctly, you can actually increase your watch time and engagement with just a better title, which will naturally make your video perform better. To boost watch time on my shorts, I add something in the title that makes viewers want to stick around until the end to get the answer. For example, on this video, I use the title "What Ronaldinho Said at the End is Wild." When people read the title, it creates curiosity and makes people crave that final moment. Now they are really invested into the short and really want to know what really happened at the end. But there is an even more interesting method that everyone sees but nobody talks about. I believe you've already noticed this strange pattern where shorts creators name all their videos with a similar phrase like "don't click the sound." You might think it doesn't do anything, but it actually does. These creators are using reverse psychology, and some people actually click on the sound. YouTube's algorithm counts that as engagement. Clicking the sound, commenting, liking, all of it means they are spending more time on the platform, and that means YouTube will push that video to a wider audience. However, I've never used this method because I had an even better one, a method that doubled my views on some videos, turning 2 million views into 4 million with just one simple change. But first, you need to know the right time to upload your shorts. You might think you are uploading at the right time, but if you're even an hour off, you could be missing out on tons of potential views. So listen carefully. Before uploading any short, I always make sure to post it at the exact time when my audience is most active. That first hour after uploading is crucial for reach. Go to your YouTube analytics, open the audience tab, and check when your viewers are most active. Then upload or schedule your short about 1 hour before your audience's peak time. This helps build momentum as your viewers start coming online. And if you're uploading it earlier, don't set it to private. Instead, make it unlisted. That way, YouTube can still scan the video for any copyright issues before it goes public. When a video is private, YouTube can't scan it, which could cause problems just when the video starts taking off. Now, before we get to the most interesting part of this video, how I gained millions of extra views by changing just one thing, I want to quickly show you my free YouTube Growth Discord group. If you have any questions about growing your channel, this is the perfect place. With over 2000 like-minded creators, you won't be doing it alone. From beginners to people making thousands of dollars. On top of that, I share daily advices and sometimes I host free group calls. So yeah, growing on YouTube alone is hard. So click the link in the description and make this journey a whole lot more enjoyable. So here's how I double my views with simple trick. If you don't know already, there are 3 main ways to get views from YouTube Shorts. You can get them from the Shorts feed, search, or browse features. Most of your videos probably only get views from the Shorts feed, but you could actually double your views and make them more evergreen if you focused on making them show up in browse features too. And to do that, you actually need to start making thumbnails for your shorts. You might think that's stupid, and yeah, most people underrate this part, but it helped me get more than half of the views on a 4 million view short just from browse features and even suggested videos. And that means that the short was shown on their homepage next to long form videos and people were clicking on it, and that signaled to YouTube to put that short on the homepage more often. Not only that, it also improved the longevity of the video. If a short is promoted only in the shorts feed, it usually blows up fast, but then it completely flatlines. But my shorts with thumbnails keep getting consistent views every day from browse, making me money passively. Sure, it's not a lot per video, but if you got hundreds of shorts getting views daily for months or even years, it adds up quickly and becomes a powerful source of passive income. There are people who do clickbaity thumbnails on shorts and get tens of millions of views, with most of them coming not from the shorts feed, but from the browse features. So when editing a video, always include a highly clickable frame that you prepared in Photoshop or in any different thumbnail making app. And once you upload that short through phone, you can actually select that frame from the video as the thumbnail. You can't upload a thumbnail for your shorts from computer, so that's why I recommend it to use phone. Personally, I do this process in the Photoshop, and for my private community members, I have some Photoshop templates and dedicated lessons on this topic. And people here are getting fast results, so if you want to join it, you can check the link in the description. But since you stick until the end, I know you want even more views, so here's one last bonus for you. You can also add a related video to all of your shorts when uploading. It shows up above your title, and if you give that video a strong title, people will click it, sending them from one video to another and another, bringing you even more views. But what if, even after following the exact steps I showed you, you still can't break through the flatlines or escape the 0 views jail? Well, alongside good upload strategies and settings, you also need engaging, high quality videos. If you're stuck at 0 views, that probably means you warmed up your account poorly and YouTube thinks you are a bot, uploading some trash or spam content. If you're getting a few hundred to a few thousand views, I'll be honest, that usually means your content just sucks. And if you are stuck around 30,000 views, your videos are likely good but not outstanding. So you need to level up. To learn exactly how to do that, click and watch these videos next.